In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see flybys in Strava. Flybys are a Strava Labs feature that lets you replay your activity alongside other athletes who were near you at the same time, so you can see where paths overlapped and how the effort unfolded. Because this involves location data, Strava keeps it opt-in. I'll walk you through turning it on and then opening the Flybys view for a specific activity. Start by going to the Strava website in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, hover over your profile picture to open the account menu, then click Settings. This is where you control what information you share and who can see it. Inside Settings, click Privacy Controls. Look for the Flybys option and select Everyone. This setting allows your activities to appear in Flybys and lets you see other athletes who have also opted in. When the confirmation prompt appears, click OK to save. If you're concerned about visibility later, you can always return here and switch it back to a more restrictive option. With Flybys enabled, head to your activities, click Training in the top navigation, then click My Activities. This brings up your recent runs and rides. Open the specific activity details page you want to explore, maybe a weekend group ride or a busy park run where you cross paths with others. On the activity page, look just below the main stats for a button labeled View Flybys or Strava Labs View Flybys. Click it to launch the Flybys viewer. You'll see a map and a timeline that replays your route. As it plays, you'll notice icons representing other athletes moving alongside yours, wherever your paths were close in time and space. It's a great way to spot who you were pacing with, understand where gaps opened, or simply relive the flow of the day. If you don't see the Flybys button, there are a few common reasons. Your Flyby's privacy might not be set to everyone yet. The activity itself may have stricter privacy settings, or there simply weren't any nearby athletes who have opted into Flybys. In some cases, certain activity types or very short efforts may not generate meaningful Flybys results. A quick privacy tip: consider using features like privacy zones for your home or workplace, and be thoughtful about which activities you share broadly. Flybys is most useful on public routes and popular segments where overlap naturally happens. That's it. Enable Flybys, open your activity, and launch the viewer to see who you crossed paths with. Enjoy exploring your efforts from a whole new angle.